INT. As we know, INT is information technology. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Miang Sachen. I came from Kautun Kagalaw Village, Taimyo Township, Mostai. The first one is first ID. ID stands for information technology. It is the use of computer, software, and the internet to work with information. ID helps people to store information. It's allowed to connect with others around the world. ID make work faster and easier. ID was not invented by one person. It developed over time with many inventions and discovery. The first person is Charlie Babbage. He was known as the father of computer. He designed the first mechanical computer called the analytical engine. The second is Alan Turing. He was the first idea for modern computer and computing theory. The third is John von Neumann. He was the first created the architecture almost used in all computers today. But many scientists and engineers created the ID, developed the software, internet, and network, which are all part of ID. In the ID, which include the first one is computer. Devices used to process and store information. The second is software, program and application that the computer was to do. And internet application, internet connects computer and people all over the world. Network or system that the computer so they can share information. Database or places to store large amount of information or safely. Cyber security protects information from hacker and unauthorized access. Mobile devices, phone and tablet use access ID anywhere. Today, where ID is used for in education, students and teachers use ID for online learning, research, and teaching. And then business or company use ID for communication, storing information, and managing works. Healthcare hospital use ID to store patient records and managing treatment. Bank use ID for online transaction like ATMs and account management. Communication, people use ID to chat, email, and make video call. And then entertainment is video ID. We can play games, watch movies, and listen to music, and we can use social media. The benefits of using ID. The first one is video ID. ID how fast to finish tasks more quickly, and then easier communication. People can talk and share ideas more quickly, and then students can study and find information easily. Safe information storage. ID help people to store data safely on clouds and computer. And then entertainment is in the same time we use ID, we can play game, watch movies, and we can do anything without to do by ourselves. And then business or company can manage for sell products online and communicate customer easily. Global connection. ID help people to connect from all over the world. The difference between ID in the past and now. When I said computer was included in the ID. In the past, there was computer are big and slow. Now they are small, fast, and powerful. And then internet. In the past, there was no internet and very slow connection. Now we have high-speed internet everywhere. And then communication. In the past, is people when to send or to communicate with others, they need to rush letter or use landline phone. And then nowadays we can use the chat at like mobile phone and Facebook Messenger, and we can call the other place. And then data storage. In the past, there was no thing to store information. If we want to store about something or information, we need to store on paper and paste it. And then nowadays we can store on cloud and very small devices. In the past, ID was used by many scientists and space companies. And then nowadays, everyone uses ID every day. For example, at school and work and entertainment. If we use ID, how we can change the world? The first one is better education. ID allows students everywhere to learn online and access knowledge quickly. And then people around the world can text, email, and make video call. If we use ID, it can improve our health. ID helps doctors to store patient information and find the problem of health fastly. And then ID can monitor environmental pollution and like climate change and save energy. ID can develop our business growth to sell online products and to reach more people all over the world. The place far away from our country, we can use ID if we need to transfer the thing we must sell. If we use ID, we can create AI like artificial intelligence and robots and small devices that we create this thing. We can change the world and we can make our life do faster and more smarter. Thank you for listening.
My question is, which country has the best ID developer?
Which country?
Has the best ID developer?
It's the only one.
You can say maybe 1 or 2 or 3, as you know.
You mean the best developer or the best developer using IT in the world?
Yeah. Which country?
I think, but I do not sure to say exactly because I do not find this question.
Okay, so my next question is, you said ID connect like a bank or education, a health, like an airline. So what if the global system shut down about 3 hours? So what happened at the time? I mean, our IT is not working at the time. So what's changes?
You mean if I do not have about 1 year when
Just an hour. Just an
hour? Life without ID is very difficult because ID is very essential for us. ID is like a thing, but it can change the world. The people who develop ideas, who has a greatest idea to change the world. If we do not have ID for an hour, life will be difficult, and if we use ID to connect the other country, we do not have information and airline is be difficult.
You mean the information getting delayed?
Yes, delay, and if it to reach the other place, it very hard and the time is too much to reach the other place. If we have ID, we can reach faster.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
In the future, you think ID can influence our world or people?
In the future, as I know, in the future, ID can influence our world. But for example, AI is about ourselves, about the human. But we do not sure ID will influence ourselves in the future or the whole life. But ID human is for the first one to influence ourselves. ID the second like at many the second goal. Like that, ID is the second goal to influence our future is not sure.